I'm Golnaz Atefi. I'm a dementia researcher, and I received this year's Communication Initiative Award in recognition of Rolling for Dementia Awareness Campaign. I think as healthcare professionals and academics, we have a responsibility that the technology we develop and deliver are usable and beneficial for everybody. Of course, it's essential that the data behind these innovations are inclusive and diverse and represented. That's why I decided to raise awareness and communicate about this cause. I skated over 1,000 kilometers to different locations across Europe. When I started skating, all I wanted was to communicate my research findings with different people, with different backgrounds, from professionals to community members that are not necessarily engaged in this area. But soon I realized that there was passion on the other side too. Many people wanted their stories to be heard. It resulted in establishing many professional but also personal connections. I would love to continue building meaningful connections between academia and broader public, and I would like to do that this time through art. It will be collaboration between scientists and artists to visualize research findings in form of art. Do not underestimate the power of personal stories. With adding a little bit of personal touch, you can make it more authentic. Either find or build that link and communicate your research and your science through that link. Real impact happens when science becomes a story that everybody can relate to.